Back to the channel, guys. Today we are in Jason Jackson in the Pickering Town Center downstairs, guys. Come and see what they have for men and children. Okay, you want to look flawless, this is a store for you guys. So stick and stay and watch what's happening, guys. Now this is the kids section. Okay guys, these are just too much. Okay, so this is the kids and juniors section, guys. This is very nice, guys. This is $249, call it $250, but guys, it's very nice. It's a three. This is size 6. Is this a 3-piece or a 4-piece?
That one, 3-piece.
This is a 3-piece, guys. It comes with a blazer and the pants, guys. Very nice. They have the blue ones. They have the blue ones too, guys. Let me show you the blue. Is it blue or black? I think it's black. I have my shade. Yes, black, guys. Look at this. Black and gold. Mud. This is mud. This is the brand, guys, as you guys can see. And this one is the same, $249. It's because, guys, they have the bling up. Listen, you're going to a wedding and you want your son to fly out, this is the store to come. Okay, so as you guys can see, they have some nice stuff in here, guys. They have other ones which is black, guys. They also have the white suit, and these white suits are $200, guys. Guys, look at this one.
After the station with that one. I don't know if I might change shirt again.
Guys, look at this. Guys, look at this suit here. Excuse me. Excuse me. Look at this suit here. This is miserable. This is Ben. Guys, look at the fabric. You see that? Very nice. They have every kind of suit here for wedding, proms, parties, like anything, guys. This is the store. Okay. They have vests, guys. These are just vests. These are just.
I bought my suits.
This is $40 for one of these. This is where we bought the suit for him. And look at this, guys. These, them bad, guys. Really, truly, very nice. They are nice, guys. Now, these are the ties. They have these also, guys. These are $29. Don't forget, when you come here, just tell them the Hay family sent you, okay? They also have hats, guys. Could you try this on for me, please? These hats are $40, guys. These are the felts. Rimitron. That is it. Guys, they have the gray, and they have all these colors. And they also have these ones, guys, which is not felt, but you know, they have these ones also. Can you try this?
Remember this one like this, we leave it at the store.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See that, guys?
Yeah.
See that? Okay, done. Okay, guys, so they have belts also too, guys. $10 for their belts, not a bad price. They have all different kind of ties, guys.
Okay. Thank you.
They have these other ones too, guys. Can you come and try this one? These are $20, guys. $20. What are these? What are these called? Bucket. The
bucket.
What are these hat called? Hold it up. Hold it up.
Pork pie.
Pork pie.
This one big. My eggs.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's a pork pie, guys. See that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, ladies, if you want a bride for your gentleman, this is the store. And yeah, come. Let's see. This one is $19, guys. Yeah, that suits you.
Yeah.
That's nice. Yeah, that go with that. Yeah, yeah, man. Guys, they also have shirts, all different colors shirt, guys. These shirts are $40, guys. They also have these kind of suit, guys. Look at this, guys. You see that? 3-piece suit. So it comes with the vest, the jacket, and the pants inside, guys. The pants is really nice. That is it, guys. See that? Really nice. See that, guys? They have all different color shirt. The gold, the brown, the black, the white, the burgundy. Guys, they have the sparkles, everything. But these are $59. And yeah, all of these are $60, guys. So they also, guys, if you're looking for shoes, they have these kind of shoes too, guys. Bougie. They have the real authentic thing, guys. Seriously. See that, guys? This is all the shoes that they have. Every color. You can think of them all. Okay, guys? That is it. See that? From near and far, they have it. Okay, guys? That shirt is very nice. But they have everything, guys. Everything you're looking for. This is for men and kids. This is your one-stop shop. Okay? Look at these blazers. Look at this blazer. Look at this green pants on this mannequin, guys. See that? Look at that. You see the bow tie that comes with that blazer? Yeah. Bad. Sick. Edna. Good. So guys, I'm just going to show you what the store look like outside. It's right across from Rogers store, guys. It's right across from Rogers. And this is it. Jason Jackson. Okay? That is it. This is their stuff outside, guys. They have so much stuff in here, guys. Like, seriously. Seriously, guys. We just got a hat. That is it. He's been looking for those hats for so long. We went to a store that said they had it. They didn't have it. But yeah, we found it now. This is where he buys all of his suits. Okay, guys, so you're looking for bling? It's here. Pants. You see this? You see this, guys? For those of the guys that love the close pants. See that? You see that? Yeah, that is it. Look at this. See that? And these pants are $70. Very good price. Oh, this is nice. $99 for this. Look on this. Muddy. Come here for a second. Try me this suit.
Oh, it's small.
You tried already?
I know that's it. This small.
Oh.
This is like Isaiah.
No, can't be Isaiah. But anyways, guys, they have everything, guys.
I'm saying near me come and buy my blazer.
Guys, they have the army looking ones.
Like
you see
this.
that?
Remember
Whoa.
my blazer?
That
But
is nice.
This one is a small one.
It's a small fit.
Yeah.
Guys, these ones are nice. Look at this. They have all different kind.
Yeah, you just have to find the one to fit you.
Yeah.
Like
Look at this blood.
This small.
Man, I rode it Pitney.
Right,
Guys,
this one.
look at this. Yes, man, them have it all. They have the bow tie to go with that blazer. So these ones are just
Brown
blazers.
jacket like I have too.
Yeah.
In here, me get it.
Okay. Yeah, guys, these are blazer, guys. So the blazer comes with the tie. Guys, look at that. Man, I rode. And these blazer are like
All right,
$270.
Look.
See, guys? That is it. Yes, man. Yes, sir.
So these I want to buy my blazer them.
Okay. Really nice.
Yeah.
Yes, guys, so they have more ties over here and everything, guys. The ties that comes with a kerchief. Guys, they have $10 ties, guys. Anything you want, one-stop shop right in here, guys. Guys, they have these shirt. These are unique. Look at that, guys. It's see-through. See that? It's see-through. Very nice. Very nice, guys. So guys, don't forget to come and check out Jason Jackson. Okay, guys? Show your support. All right, so guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the video. Guys, again, this is in the Pickering Town Center downstairs, right across from Rogers. Okay, guys? So thank you for watching. Have yourself a blessed day. See you in the next one. Bye.